Hey guys, Nick from forexfornoobs.com here. You're looking at a GBP JPY 4-hour chart, and this is a live trade video. Right now I'm looking to go short on GBP JPY. I'm looking to enter a reversal trade. Now this is a pretty good reversal setup. We've got a strong bullish preceding trend here, an indecision pattern here, so there's clear signs of indecision up here. I set my significant low at 132.00 here, but it's already been broken. Unfortunately, I'm a little late to the party on this trade. I wasn't at my charts when this broke, but the good thing is it's retraced a bit, so I can get in at the same price I would have got in anyway. So I'm going to jump in short on GBP JPY right now, and we're going to target around about 40 pips on this trade with a stop loss of 30 pips. Now the only problem I see with this trade is that it looks like it might want to reverse right now. It doesn't look like it wants to keep moving in a bearish direction. So as long as it breaks this line down here, the low of this candle here, we should be good to go for this trade. If it doesn't, it might have a few problems. One of the other problems is that right now London session is over, we're in the US session, and we're quickly approaching the Asian session. GBP JPY slows down quite a bit in that session, so we may end up just having a lot of ranging around this area until London open tomorrow morning. So we'll just see how it goes anyway. I'm going to jump in short right now. I'm going to go for 4 lots. Just enter a short. Perfect. So we're short with 4 lots. My stop loss is going to be around about 30 pips. My target's going to be around about 40 pips. I'm just going to set those as alarms right now. I'm not going to set them as actual orders. Send SMS, send email. And we're going to go for 40 pips on this side. Perfect, so I got my alarms. Now we just move them up slightly, just about 5 pips to either side. Well, this one has to be moved down. Just so I'm notified a little bit before it actually reaches my target or my stop. And that's it, we're in the trade. This is all set up. I'll keep you updated as the trade progresses. Okay guys, as you can see, this trade has pushed down. It's met its target. It's down at 131.53 right now, so it's exceeded its target by a little bit. The smart move here would probably be to exit half my position, put a stop loss at break even and hold this, because it looks like it's going to continue to move down. But seeing as it's 1 AM in the morning over here, I'm just going to close out my full position and go get some sleep. So I'm going to close this one out now. Close with 42 pips profit. Close it right now and lock in those pips. Perfect. So that was a successful trade. Sorry I didn't update halfway through the trade. I was really busy, so I couldn't update it halfway through the trade. But as you can see, we jumped in, it moved down. Quite an easy trade. It was just based on a reversal indecision. We placed our significant low, and that's the hardest part with these trades, picking the right significant high or significant low. But we placed a significant low and it broke, made us our profit. I'm targeting around about 40 pips on these trades on GBP JPY right now, because the average daily range has moved down quite a bit since early last year. So it's only 40 pips. I used to target around about 50 to 60 pips on these trades, but either way 40 pips is pretty good, and the target was met quite easily. Okay, just another quick update to this trade. It's Friday morning, 9:45 AM here in the UK. This morning at around about 1 AM I closed out this position at the 131.50 level, which is around about here. I said right then and there that the smart move would be to close out half my position, move my stop loss to break even and target more with the second half. As you see, that definitely would have been the smart move. However, I was tired and was not up for managing a trade, and I'm not a fan of setting up automatic exits on my trades. I'd much rather be in front of the screen monitoring the trade myself, so I closed this one out and went to sleep. It did, however, drop right down to the 131 psychological level, which is around about here. Now, I would have probably closed this out around about the 131.10. If you read my free ebook, you know that psychological levels play a major part in my method. I like to exit at psychological levels as the price tends to always have trouble breaking through them cleanly. So my exit would definitely have been around about the 131.10, just a little bit before we'd reached the psychological level at 131.00. This would have resulted in a 90 pip gain overall from the entry at 132.00, which minus spread and everything would have made for about an 80 pip gain on half my position and a 40 pip gain on the first half of my position, which I closed out. So this averages out to around about a 60 pip gain on this trade. So the point I'm trying to make is, as a trader, you should keep your eyes open to the opportunities the market gives you. If you're in a short trade and there's little to no support between your targeted exit, like we see here, so the targeted exit would have been around about there, and the next psychological level would have been here. So if there's little to no support between your targeted exit here and the next psychological level here, you can always close out half your position and target more with the rest. So close out half your position here and target down to around about the 131, a little bit before the psychological level with the rest of the position. As I always say, the key is to be dynamic. When the market wants to move, you should be dynamic and move with it. If it's willing to give you more pips, be ready to grab more pips. Unless, of course, you're half asleep and you want to go to bed, like I was. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this live trade video. If you want to learn to kick the Forex market's ass on a regular basis, like me, be sure to check out my free video course at forexfornoobs.com. And yeah, I did say free. That's no strings attached, completely free. That video course is completely 100% free. So if you like how I trade, be sure to check it out. See you guys.